Ideas are the currencies of the 21st century. When you come here, you meet experts, you get ideas, all the people in one room, your ideas can be action. I think that's exactly what this forum is about.
So it was a good interactive session. The expo also is very good and we could see different stalls and startup companies also visited.
This is a very well crafted show designed in terms of concepts of seminar, innovations. At the exhibition, there are a lot of innovative products which you can see.